Alrighty, YouTubers, I am back. It is Thursday, February 22nd. Oh yeah, I have an Amazon unboxing to do. I do believe, coming from Perfect Life Ideas. We shall see what's inside. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it through the week. Tomorrow's Friday. Oh yeah, here we go. And what is this? Oh boy, look at this. 2-in-1 multi-shot. Air hockey. And I think foosball or soccer. Soccer. We got the goalie nets, got the paddles, got the pucks, got the balls. Oh boy, should be fun times ahead. And of course, you guys can get one at low cost. All you gotta do is click on the link down below. Check them out. There we go. There we go. Got some stuff right here. All right, bada boom. Not bad, not bad. Boom. I'll set this up really quick. Kind of looks like a candy. Don't eat those, kids. Make sure your parents set this up for you. And it's not edible. Alright, we got the goalie nets. Oh, look at these little paddles. Oh boy. How tiny that is. What do we got? What do we have? I think this is where you could drop the ball. Squeaky. Squeaky, squeaky. Let's see if I'm right. Gotta do this popping in. Let me see this. Somehow. Gotta pop it in the grooves. There we go. Nice and easy. Like that. Boom. Nice and tugged. That's where the ball drops, or the puck. Let me put the other side up. Make sure everything looks good. Alright, here we go. Bada boom. Something to do, pass by time when you guys have a power outage. Stuff like that. Oh boy. Why is this one giving me difficulty? Uh-oh. Ah, come on. Sorry about that, YouTube. It's having little issues with this one. There we go. Nice and easy. Ooh, squeaky. Drop you guys down a minute. Put the nets on. There's 4 prongs. 4 prongs. You guys evening up. 2 holes there. There we go. Like that, boom. I don't know if you guys can see, I'll zoom in right there. Bada boom. Kind of like a pinball. Oh yeah. See, here's instructions. Scorekeeper, hockey, soccer. Use the flaps. Boom, boom, boom. So we did that. Just gotta put on. Oops, you guys are drunk. Oh boy, a little tipsy. Oh jeez. I think my tripod's falling apart. Might have to get a new one pretty soon. Oh, make sure they go nice and tugged in the holes. And if you guys can see, come on, focus. There we go. Nice, easy setup. And we got the ball. Oh, jeez. Here we go. We got the pucks. Oh, they got one of rollers on these hockey pucks. Oops. Where is a little? Let's see. Whoa. Gee. Can't even score on myself. Okay, here we go. Ah, boom. And it shoots out there. And we got the balls. Somehow, I gotta do this right. There we go. Let me get the balls. We got the orange. I guess you could have this right there. And all you gotta do is oh shoot. But you guys catch my drift. Kind of looks like a hey, look at that. Boom. Just like a pinball game. Got the flappers. Pretty cool. So check them out on YouTube. Get this at a low cost. Alright, you guys be safe. Have a good night. And I'll see you back tomorrow. See ya.